Good morning, everyone. It is day 3 of our trip to Death Valley National Park. It's about 6:30 in the morning right now, and just woke up to try and catch the sunrise today. But in the meantime, I wanted to show you guys what my sleep setup looks like, so we'll cut to that soon. But the plan for today is to hike Ubehebe Crater as well as Golden Canyon. So the temperature's supposed to get above 100 today, so we're going to try and avoid being outside too long in the early to mid afternoon. So we'll keep you guys updated. Here's my sleep setup. We've got my little Nemo pad right there. Doesn't give you much cushion, but it's enough. Also got my sleeping bag and then my pillow. And then, there was my dinner last night. But yeah, this is what I've been sleeping out of. All right, so we are starting our hike of the Golden Canyon and Red Cathedral loop. We've got already just some stunning views. We're just walking through, honestly, what looks like just mounds of mud. And you can kind of see there's like a little channel made by the rain when it rains, and it's pretty cool. So I'll keep you guys posted and I'll film some of the coolest parts of the hike. See you guys then. So at first stop, we got these cool just red rock wall. It's just lined with mint green and red all along. Hopefully you guys can see that, but we're just kind of walking through this canyon now. So we just hiked down from back there. We're almost to the halfway point, and we have this amazing view. I don't know if you can see, but Telescope Peak is right there, and there's still snow covering the top of it. Wish there wasn't any, but we'll take what we can get. We can still view it. So we're on the second half of Golden Canyon Trail. I believe we got two paths. We got one going this way and then another going this way. And I think we're going this way because that looks like Red Cathedral. I'll see you when we get there. All right, we're continuing to go down. Got a little bit of an arch here. Guys, we've made it to Red Cathedral. It is so awesome. We kind of climbed all the way up here. We have this amazing lookout. It's just so cool. The entire thing is just red. Now that is Red Cathedral. We make our way back up to Zabrinsky Point. Guys, we're taking a break. I made a mistake. I went downhill on the first half of the trip. Now I'm paying for it on the second half. But what goes down must come up, right? I'm just see you at the top. So we made it to the top of this hill. We have to go all the way up there. I think it's about 1.5 miles, but it looks just straight uphill. See you at the end. We have the best view of Zabrinsky Point. Just absolutely stunning. Right next to it, Red Cathedral, where we were earlier. We got about half a mile to go. We made it back to the car. I am gassed right now. I need some food, so we're gonna head back to Furnace Creek. We're gonna get some lunch, and then I need to take a shower, so I'm gonna find somewhere to buy a shower pass and clean up a little bit. We're all showered now. It feels so much better, but pretty hungry, so we're gonna go to the Wild Rose Tavern and see what we can get. I ate lunch at Wild Rose, and then I decided to stop by the ice cream parlor and ended up getting some ice cream. So I went with the rainbow sherbet. I was between that or the chocolate chip cookie dough, but with how hot it is, can't go wrong with sherbet. So we're heading to Ubehebe Crater now. It's kind of got a funny name, but we got about a little over an hour drive north, so we'll cut to that. See you guys there. We made the hour drive to Ubehebe Crater, and it is stunning. I'll show you guys some clips here. So we're starting our trek around Ubehebe Crater. So we're just gonna go up this hill. There's also Little Hebe Crater, but we might go check that out later. But it's just stunning. This inactive volcano. We're just walking along volcanic rock. So while hiking just about maybe even quarter mile, this is the best super bloom in Death Valley that I've seen. Hopefully the camera does it justice, but there's just purple and yellow flowers everywhere. It is just crazy views from up here. It is so far down there. From the parking lot just over there, it's about half a mile down, and we're probably another half a mile up, so in total 1 mile. We made it to Little Hebe, much smaller in comparison. You can practically see the whole thing in frame, but we're just doing a little detour before we get back to Ubehebe Crater.
We got all these tiny little pink flowers, which is just so cool to see the super bloom, be able to see this. What's also really cool about the Ubehebe Trail right now is that I can see that I am the only person on this trail right now. Might be because it's so far north of every other attraction, but nonetheless, I can't complain. We decided to walk down into Ubehebe Crater, and all of this that I'm standing on is just clay. Super cool. It's like I'm walking on eggshells right now. So it's still pretty wet, as you can see. Super cool. It's like I'm walking on Play-Doh. We hiked up the harder way this time since it's kind of the last thing I'm doing today. I decided to challenge myself a little bit. Um, so we're just gonna head back to Furnace Creek to the campsite. We're gonna pack it up early today and get ready for Mount Perry tomorrow. Stay tuned.